Hello everyone, welcome to the another very important session for our upcoming CSIR NET exam. So guys, today in this session we will be discussing the most important topics of quantum mechanics which everybody needs to prepare. And as we are having very less time remaining before the exam, so if you want to prepare some of the most important topics of quantum mechanics, this video can help you a lot. So now let's start the discussion, but before that I would even like to tell you one more thing which can help you in your upcoming exam preparation. So if you want to attend the more regular live classes by the top educators on Unacademy Plus, then you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription, and by using and by applying the referral code, that is Anjali Arora, you will be able to get the 10% discount in the total subscription amount. While there is another referral code available as well, that is Anjali A Live. So if you want to take the Unacademy Plus subscription and you want to join the most important live classes of well structured and well planned courses by the top educators, then you can take the subscription. You can take the Unacademy Plus subscription or Unacademy Iconic subscription. You can see on the screen that here, if you will take the Plus subscription, you will get these benefits. If you will be taking the Iconic subscription, you will get these benefits. So in that case, you can just have a look at this and decide like which one you want to take. Also guys, whenever you will be taking the subscription, you can use and apply the referral code which is Anjali A Live as mentioned here on the screen, or you can use and apply the referral code which is Anjali Arora, and you can start attending all these live sessions by the top educators, which will help you a lot to do the best preparation for your upcoming exam. Now let's start the discussion, and we will be talking about the topics which are having the great chances to be there in your upcoming CSIR NET exam, and by preparing these points, these topics, you can have a very good command on all these topics in very less time. So now let's talk about all these important topics, the most important topics of quantum mechanics. And even if you have not prepared anything till now in quantum mechanics part, then you can prepare these topics at least, so that you will be able to work on most of the questions in the exam. So the first one we will be considering is the the basics of quantum mechanics. That's very important. For example, the normalization condition and the orthogonality condition. So if you are not familiar with the normalization condition or the orthogonality condition, so you can just prepare these 2 points because they will be helping you at so many places. For example, if you are working on the expectation value question, if you are working on the probability question, if you are working on different topics based questions, these conditions can be there and you have to consider them. So if you will be familiar with these conditions, they will help you a lot. Now let's talk about the another thing. Once you will be preparing these two, after that what you need to do, you need to prepare the systems, because most of the times when we get the questions related to probability, related to expectation value, so there we need to have the information about the energy of any system given to us. And mainly the systems you need to prepare are 1D box, 2D box, 3D box, harmonic oscillator, 1D, 2D, 3D, isotropic, anisotropic, and in case of box, symmetric and asymmetric case. So energy expressions, the wave function expression, and the degeneracy of the different states, if you will be preparing these things, they can help you a lot to work on different questions in the exam and to understand the question as well. Now if we will be talking about the another important thing you need to prepare, and which will have the great chances to be there in your upcoming exam as well, so that's gonna be the WKB approximation method. Generally in the WKB approximation method based questions, we are going to have the potential given to us and we need to find the energy of the nth state, or sometimes they just ask us to find the dependency of the energy of nth state on the state itself, means n. So there are tricks related to the WKB approximation method. If you have not watched the previous videos till now, you can check them out. I have uploaded many tricks of quantum mechanics as well as the other subjects, so you will be finding them on this channel, that is Mission at Physics Exam. So you can just check that out and it will be helping you a lot to work on the questions in very less time, or just in few seconds you will be able to solve those questions. Now let's talk about the another important topic which you can't miss and you should not. So what is that? That's gonna be the perturbation theory. That's another very important topic. And in the perturbation theory part, how to find the first order correction to energy, the second order correction to energy, and different type of questions you can have. For example, sometimes it will be giving you the variable perturbation or the constant perturbation applied to any system. So depending on that, how you can even work on these type of questions with the help of trick. I have done that discussion in the previous videos as well, so you can check that out, and it will be helping you to understand the topic very well and in very less time as well. Okay guys, now let's talk about the next one. So these are the basic as well as the most important topics, and also less time taking topics. If you will be preparing them in very less time, you will get and understand each and everything about these topics. So I hope it can help you a lot. The next point we will be covering here, and you should try to cover up before your exam, that's going to be the commutator bracket. Now from the commutator bracket as well, there are great chances that you can have or you can expect the question in your upcoming exam, and the questions are going to be quite simple, easy, and if we know few expressions, we can directly work on those questions. Related to commutator bracket, you can even expect the questions based on the angular momentum operators. So angular momentum operator, for example, the Lx, Ly, Lz, and then commutator bracket relations corresponding to these operators with other operators and with each other. So how you can find it, that should be clear to you. The position operator and the momentum operator relation, that should be clear to you. What is the commutator bracket, some properties of the commutator bracket you need to prepare. And at the same time, when you will be covering the angular momentum operator here, you can even cover up the raising and the lowering operators at the same time. And when you will cover up the systems in the harmonic oscillator part, you can go for the raising and lowering operators there as well. So it will help you to work on the different type of questions and to understand these questions easily. Another one more basic thing you can prepare is how to find the wave function at any later time t if we know the wave function at time t is equal to 0. So this is another thing related to these topics. You can have like one point added to the question, that what is the wave function at later time t that you may have to use in the questions, and if you know that process, how to convert the wave function given to you at time t is equal to 0 to later time t, so you will be able to do that too. And the information about the expectation value as well as the probability, that's important, so you can cover up that part as well. So if you have not covered the quantum mechanics topics till now, or if you were feeling like quantum mechanics is going to be difficult for you, you can go for these topics, and they are very much important and expected in the upcoming exams. So cover up these topics at least, and you will feel confident about your preparation too. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. I hope each and everything will be clear to all of you, whatever discussion we have done till now. And in case if you will have any questions, any queries, anything you want to ask, you can let me know about that too. Also guys, whenever you want to take the Unacademy Plus subscription, as it can help you a lot to do the best preparation for your upcoming exam, you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription and you can start attending the live classes by the top educators on Unacademy Plus. And even time to time many new courses keep on starting on Unacademy Plus. So if you will be taking the subscription and you will start attending these live classes, they will help you a lot in your preparation and to take your preparation to the next level. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. Thank you.